I was gonna say, did that guy do more of it? But yeah, they're a lot further out.
Yeah. Well, maybe they're flashing their lights because that looks like a plow truck coming this way.
Oh, is it?
Or an excavator or something. It looked like it was flashing its lights. It might have just been bouncing.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, you got the semi out. He's rolling now. He's putting his winches away.
It's not cheap when they hook up to you, huh?
No.
I know that's good money for them, but that's jacked up the way they charge that much.
I know.
You mentioned to me before, I forget the amount.
Well, just for him to use the tow rope and
Yeah,
pull me to the top of the hill was almost $500.
that's ridiculous.
It didn't take him a half hour.
Should I take a video?
Okay. The camera's rolling too. It is the same guy.
Is it? I'll take a video of us dancing.
Huh?
Take a video of us dancing.
He's
Dang.
Yeah, he's all rough. Well, it must be rough right there. Because he didn't see anything all sideways and shit.
Did he?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Probably gonna want me to go over there. Okay.
It's actually cleared out right there.
Yeah. Somebody gave up and cut through right there
Okay.
to the highway, yeah. Must have been earlier when it was real bad. See right here too.
Yeah. Once they cleared the highway,
Yep.
that one.
Yeah. We couldn't make it all the way up, so we had to run the shoulder until he was able to make it up.
Yeah. record it one more time.
Okay. I can't believe it's already 7 o'clock and it's still out.
There. Just not back here. Oh, I can't. The highway's clear.
Yeah.
Watch out.
Yeah, that's lovely.
Your girlfriend's not there. I guess we're going home.
I wanted to check real quick and see what 15th looks